Hi, today I will show you how to easily change Sennheiser HT560S headphone AirPods. This tutorial will be useful to remove the AirPod cushions, to clean the headphones and clean the AirPods themselves. And then I will show you how to easily put the AirPods back on. If your AirPods are old, in the video description has a link to new replacement AirPod cushions. To remove the AirPod, you need to grab the pod and pull it off. It is held from the inside by plastic hooks on the body of the headphones. As you can see, they are quite dirty, so let's also take out the fabric filter. It's held to the headphone by some small hooks. Then remove the dirt, and do the same for the other side of the headphones. Once you have cleaned the headphones, take the fabric filter to the right side and put it in a place so that it catches on the little plastic hooks. Put back the other filter in the same way. The AirPods on both sides are similar. They stick to the plastic hooks of the headphones with their inner edge. Put AirPods on top and press down. If you don't hear the click, you can rotate pod, and if you now hear a clicking sound, you know it's fixed in place. Put the other air cushion back on in the same way. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to post them below this video. Good luck!